Alright guys, I would say this ain't a special video, but it is a special video because anytime you're out in the outdoors and you're cooking wild turkey breast, that makes it a special video. Guys, what this is going to be some turkey breast off of that last gobbler that I harvested. We're going to show you a little bit of that hunt leading into this video right here. But check that out, and when you come back, we'll be cooking some wild turkey breast. Put me a good bit of vegetable oil in my little skillet that I have here, and I'm gonna get this puppy fired up and start heating that oil. Good thing, guys, if you're cooking on the tailgate, be sure you kind of get you a good level spot. This is not the best spot, but it's good enough. Alright, I can hear that oil starting to pop a little bit, so I'm not going to spare on my seasoning. That looks so good without even cooking. Kind of turn it over and get the other side. You guys are try this sometimes. It makes it just a little bit more special to get out here and after harvesting a bird or taking a deer. Get out here on the tailgate and cook that joker up. It doesn't get no more fresh than that. Alright, got some flour here. A good old trusty Ziploc bag. Get several of them turkey breast pieces in there and zip that puppy up. Gonna get that a golden brown. Both sides. I've kind of thin sliced it to where it would cook even. Alright, that's the first batch. Alright guys, a golden brown. Alright guys, now the taste test. Something I don't understand. A lot of people say that wild turkey breast is tough. I think a lot of it is they're not trimming it properly. When you cut it across the grain, that's not tough at all. That's very good, very good. Guys, like I was saying, we're gonna talk about some fun, get them youngins out there. Whether you bring something from home or whatever you harvest that day, man, get it out here on the tailgate and cook it up. It's really Really something that's fun and enjoyable, and it's another way to utilize the outdoors. Guys, as always, we really appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Punch, you know, hit that subscribe button. Give us the likes, you know, come on. Because every time you do that, it helps our videos to go just a little further. So, as always, guys, we appreciate y'all watching. Until next time, God bless.